Looking to upgrade your car's radio without the hassle of complicated wiring or losing your factory features? This aftermarket radio mount is designed to fit perfectly in your console's pocket location, making installation straightforward and clean. It supports recessed DIN radios and is fully compatible with ISO mount radios using snap-in mounts and a trim ring, so you get flexibility with your choice of stereo. What sets this mount apart is the included wiring harness. It connects directly to your factory speaker power and ground wires, so you don't have to mess with complicated electrical work. Even if you're not an electronics expert, the color-coded wiring makes it as simple as matching black to black, red to red, and so on. Whether you prefer soldering or using clip connectors, there are plenty of online tutorials to guide you through the process. Plus, the mount keeps all your heater and AC controls fully functional, so you won't lose any comfort features while upgrading your sound system. One of the biggest perks? The built-in under radio pocket. It's roomy enough to hold your phone, sunglasses, or other small items, adding practical storage to your console. This is a smart alternative to costly full radio replacements that often run hundreds of dollars. Instead, you get a neat, affordable solution that looks factory installed and works seamlessly with your existing setup. If you're ready to improve your driving experience with a better sound system, this aftermarket radio mount is worth a look. It combines ease of installation, compatibility, and added convenience, all at a reasonable price. Try it when you're ready to give your car stereo an upgrade that's both practical and reliable.